Jesus Christ. Shout, it's about time. It's about time, and stop playing. Hey God, let me hola. So you be like, what's it that they call her? You be like flight attendants. Who they call me? May nobody call me. Best views. Thank you for the song. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Jesus, where is it going to, guys? Hola go shop. Jesus, Alpha, come on. Come on. Come on, go. Someone has just put doubly 30 BG. Jesus. After? You said what? After what? The customer. I'm okay. Jesus. Shout! Shout! We get the private jet. Come on, enter. Jesus. Small. We're gonna punish you. Yeah. Jesus. Where was that? Yeah. I don't die. My boss. Jesus. Shout! Don't believe that you bring any fucking shout and stop playing. Give me mic. Jesus Christ. My boss will not mind my dressing. I already had this setting so. Daddy, I beg you, take mic. Hey God. Jesus, I don't know say bed the day to play no. Yes. Are you sure you want to put it like here, right? Daddy, get what you talk for that song. Daddy, one body long.
Yes, now I have billions of properties there.
Jesus Christ, I don't say that lyrics and no be ordinary lyrics. When I hear them, I got kind of go back. When they play, they go. Yes, now.
I'm not there, man. I see some that they enjoy the matter. Now so, man, shout out Oria Day out now. Oh yeah, say what you want to say.
Yes, before. Fuck shit, nigga.
Let me tell you a story about before. So I think I'd already finished the album or so. So I wasn't sure if before was going to get on it. He should come with me say, oh God, this walk too sweet. I beg. But at least you know you come like flex man. Get out. Anyway, what are your favorite songs on What's Up, Scott? My nigga Scott, man. Michael Pena done got Scott fat, bro. What are your favorite songs on the tape, man? That's what I want to know. Not tape, album, actually. Yeah, man, I'm on the way to okay, well let me see the favorites first. Constantly.